Hello. Um, my dad got ballet just bike. It sounds very loud. I really love it very much. My dad has a bigger bike. I sit back and hold my dad. We went to the road and came back to our apartment, and it was so fun to go there. Thank you. Have a good day.